Exness Raw Spread account and Exness Zero account, right? So this video is going to be a step-by-step tutorial on Exness Raw Spread account and Exness Zero account. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. As you can see here, you can see the Raw Spread account, you can see the Zero account. They have many accounts here. They have the Pro account, the Standard Set account, and the Standard account. You can see all of them here. But normally, majority of people go with Standard account because Standard account is good for beginners to start with, right? So we are going to talk about the Raw Spread account and the Zero account, right? As you can see in the Raw account, as you can see, Raw account is a low fixed commission, right? It's a low fixed commission. Let me just explain this to you very quickly. The Raw Spread account focuses on maximizing spread costs with a fixed commission, where the Zero account prioritizes zero spread on major instruments. Both accounts are suitable for scalpers and high frequency traders. Both the Zero account is particularly well suited for those trading major pairs with minimum cost, right? You see, that is different between it, right? So let's see how the accounts, if you want to create an account, let me show you how you can create account on Exness. As you can see here, just open, if you click on this opening account, you can see to bring you here, which can create a standard account, a raw account, a zero account. So let me start with a raw account so that you can see how to create a raw account. Let me just click on continue. Okay, as you can see now, we have the demo account and we have the real account. You can create a demo account if you like, and you can create a real account, right? You can see. Let me create a real account right here. Let me show you how it works, right? As you can see, it's showing me my my spread. A minimum. Showing my minimum deposit and my spread form right here. As you can see, everything here is 0 here. I have a minimum and initial deposit of 500 USD, right? As you can see here, it's just for me to put my max leverage and my currency and create a password, which is very, very important, right? What very important to do on Exness. Then you put in my password. As you can see, you have to put a strong password so that nobody can hack your account or disturb your account, right? Then put a strong password so that you can see. And please don't forget to please subscribe to my channel and like this video. And if you want to sign up from Exness, you can check the link in the description of this video, right? As you can see, I think this password is not very that strong. Let me change it to something else. Let me change this password to something else. Let me make it much strong. Okay, now I get it. You see, I just create an Exness, raw account, spread account right here. This is a new account. This is a new account, as you can see, right? As you can see, my balance here is 0. I'm using the MT5, right? As you can see, raw spread account. You can see the demo, you can see the real, right? As you can see here, I can come here and trade. I can deposit and I can withdraw. This account now is not live, right? Let me click on it. As you can see, I can trade with MetaTrader 5 and Exness Terminal, which is the personal area which you can trade with, right? Let me show you the interface. Let you see. I can trade on this Exness raw account live, right? Once you create the account, you can start trading, right? So no any issue with that, right? As you can see, my real account balance is 0. You can see the interface. You can see what you can chase and what you can trade. The pairs, the bet screens, the JP. You can see all your favorite wallets here, right? You can see the charts here, every single thing, right? As you can see now, I've just created an Exness raw spread account. Let me go and create another account. Let you see. As you can see here, we have many types of accounts, right? As I say, in the beginning, the standard account, there's many people go with the standard account because it's just very easy. To create and start trading with. So let's go with zero account here, right? Let's go with zero account. Let me show you. Okay, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And the same thing you do to create your Exness raw spread account, that's the same thing you do and create this account. As you can see, I still had a minimum initial deposit of 500 USD, right? As you can see, all right. And don't forget, the raw spread account focuses on minimizing spread cost with a fixed commission, right? While the zero account prioritizes zero spreads on major instruments, right? So that is the difference between the two, right? As you can see, from the spread, the commission, the minimum deposit on each, right? As you can see, the minimum deposit on zero spread accounts. You can see the minimum deposit of standard sets. You can see all of this, right? So we are just talking about the raw spread and the zero account. As you can see here, you can come here and create an account. If you have not created your Exness account here, you can use the link in the description of this video and go and create your account, right? It's that simple, right? So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, right? And if you want to verify your account, I have a video here on this channel showing you how to verify your Exness account, right? So you can go and watch that video. And if you want to withdraw your money on Exness, you can go and check my other video here. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And I will see you in the next one.